Hey guys, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today I'm explaining where my video went. If you're new to my channel, I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back to my loyal viewers. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit that little bell down there, and then select all. That way you'll be notified when I upload any. My content is usually cooking. Sometimes it's farming, sometimes it's gardening, sometimes it's grocery hauls. You never know what you're going to get here. So today I'm explaining where my video went. Okay guys, so some of you may have noticed that I uploaded a video the other day and then it disappeared, or at least it was set to private. And I'm telling you today, I'm being honest, I'm coming in here, I am being vulnerable. I am telling you why I took that video down. It was a video of me planting my Greenstalk planter and showing you how it worked. I had a top on in that video that laid perfectly fine, but I noticed when I bent over, it didn't lay totally fine. And I bent over a lot in that video. And so I did try to hide it with some emojis, and I tried to fix it, and I didn't check to see if I had totally fixed it, and went ahead and uploaded it without checking. After uploading it, I realized I did not fix everything, and so it was probably just easier for me to delete the video, or at least set it to private. So when it's set to private, it means only I can see it. And the only reason I set it to private and didn't just delete it was because there was parts of that video I wanted to capture out, like Caroline's house. So anyway, so here, now you know. It was just an image I did not think was appropriate for my channel. And I mean, it wasn't like anything totally wrong. I've seen way worse on commercials, or I've seen way worse on any YouTube video, but it's just not me. So, and it just was not me. And so anyway, there you have it. So let me explain the Greenstalk. This is a tiered system. It's a vertical growing system. The water, you water your plants from this area here and this area alone. You just put your water here and it sinks down into these little pockets. So let me explain a little bit better. Each tier looks like this before it is planted. You see all those little holes, and you see that center hole. After you've filled that with dirt, you then place this thing. And you see in this, there's holes at the edge of each. There you go. You see that hole. So when you place this on, you want to line your holes up. Let me turn the camera around. You want to line these holes up with each pocket. So here you have your planter. You fill it with dirt. You can actually go ahead and plant now, or go ahead and put this on. It doesn't matter. You put that on, and then you do the next system, and the next, and the next. I have a 7-tiered system, but I only used 5 this time. So let me tell you what I have planted. The bottom is Brussels sprouts. Then we have some more Brussels sprouts and collards. Then we have the 3rd tier is all collards. In here, I planted mustard and collard seeds. And up here, one of my sweet viewers sent me some creasy greens, and I planted those in there. So, then you come out and you water up here. And it sinks down this hole and these little holes, and it evenly distributes to every pocket. I mean, it just trickles down to every pocket of your Greenstalk planter. This planter is ingenious, I think. If you'll look down in my description below, I've got the link and a discount code. I believe in this company so much that I am an affiliate with them. And they are amazing. And so we're going to follow this along and see how it does. I cannot wait to come out here and get me some turnip greens, mustard greens and collard greens. I didn't do turnip greens. Oh well, and creasy greens. It's going to be delicious. I have never done Brussels sprouts before, so this will be a first for me. As most of you know, if you followed me for a while, you know my garden did not work out this year because of everything we had going on. And so this is kind of my nod to gardening this year. It's all I'm getting. And after working out here, y'all, you know, I told you about the top I had on. I wouldn't have worn any other top. And the top in of itself was fine. It was only when I bent over that it was, and that just happens to anybody. And, but it was so hot, I thought I was going to die out here. And I told my husband, I said, I don't know if I can ever have another garden because I cannot take the heat anymore. I just can't take it. And I'm pretty cold-natured in general. But when it's hot outside and I'm working, I just can't take it. But anyway, so this is my garden this year. So I'm excited. Y'all, this is a company out of Tennessee. They are a Christian company. I highly, highly recommend them. As you can see, let me turn it around again. Sorry. Okay, guys. So as you put these tiers together, you just alternate. You don't set them the pocket right over the other pocket. You alternate it, and it just clips right onto those two pockets. It just stacks perfectly. This is an amazing system. You water from here, and they were a genius, an absolute genius. So I am excited to keep you updated on this. We'll probably do every other week updates on my Greenstalk and how it's doing. This is not the perfect place for it, but it's about the best I could come up with. So I am so excited. It came with a book, which is down here on the ground, and some seeds. It had some seeds in it as well. Okay, so now you know. Now you know where my video went. You can laugh at me, make fun of me, whatever. Just do not question my Christian values. Do not question my Christian values. I love the Lord with all my heart. And I do. So, and what I wear does not diminish from that at all. So anyway, we are going to go look at Caroline's house. I'm going to show you the part of the video where we went over to Caroline's house and show you the progress that's been made over there. Okay guys, guess what's behind me? That's Caroline's house. Any banging you've heard earlier in the video when I was doing the Greenstalk, it was coming from over here. So hang on, and I'll turn the camera around and we'll walk up towards there. Okay guys, there it is. We have almost the whole roof on. We have some stuff on this side that still needs to be done. But that's it. We have windows in. We have a front door in. It's I'll see if I can get up there and show you her front door. It's so pretty. It's like a craftsman style front door. Her siding is going to be a blue color and like a muted blue, and so I think the front door is going to be really pretty with that. So let's walk up there and I'll show you her front door. Before we get to the front door, you can see her steps start way up there, and so we will be bringing in dirt up around her steps there, so it's not quite so high. So we'll be bringing her yard up. So let's go on in. Hey guys, this will be her garage. So this is how we're going to get in and check things out.